All right, let's fix the camera. जी सर, गुड मॉर्निंग। बस कुछ भी नहीं, दुआ करें। It's okay.
मेरे कंप्यूटर के साथ क्या किया आ रही है?
अच्छा,
नहीं, बैटरी शायद इनका कुछ करना पड़ेगा।
all right, so back to test 60. Where are we right now? Let's take a look. My Zoom is good. Audio is good. Let me think we are good. Let me share the screen now. Okay, audio, let me test. Speakers and wireless. Good. Still, we're using MNQ is still September and NQ is December. All right, let's get this going. Let me set up my first step. Daily areas. Good morning, G. How are you? Good, very good. Very good, good. Just a little bit changes in responsibilities and roles. So there you go. Why? It takes a it's a little easier, right? So I've been doing this for a long time, and now for 2 years serving the main office, main floor. Now I'm much more relaxed for the last 2 days.
So the way you used to do this.
Yes, yes. So yeah, but I have different responsibilities now. Legal came under me. What else? I have to build 2 apps. So like yes, yes, of course. But we are giving you a good replacement. No worry. No, no, bro. Abhi bhi idhar hai koi. So my expertise will be in this organization, primary funded. You have question about funded, payouts, wise, that's what I'm here. There you go. No problem. Ji. Good luck today. All right. Good morning, everybody. Friday, September 12th. Give me a second to make sure everything is good. Audio is good. Live stream is good. So Friday. हाँ जी
कंप्यूटर नहीं होगा बस।
मैं अभी स्ट्रीम के बाद आता हूँ अभी एक second. So, good morning, everybody. Friday, sorry, again, I got disrupted. Friday, September 12th, 9 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to SuperAreas.com. Thank you for coming in person as well as online. What is going on today? Let's take a look. Yesterday was PPI. Today, very important news at 10 a.m. 10 a.m., we're going to sit and wait and watch. Areas are updated. Our computer algorithm has predicted some levels for all markets. On Fridays, we don't do as many markets. On Friday, if you see, we work with, give me a second, Friday, we work with ES, Dow, Russell, NASDAQ, crude oil, gold, and natural gas. We don't do Forex, we don't do crypto, we don't do copper, FDAX, things like that. So, and a short day from my stream should be running until 12 European close, and let's make a few dollars today on every account, funded account, live account, and let's see. So anything I say here is not financial advice. It is just for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes. At a part of Win Lifetime, at a part of as a part of SuperAreas.com, I'm one of the 8 mentors that sits every morning here. You're welcome to join if you log on to SuperAreas.com. You're welcome to join well over 8 different mentors who teach different streams. We have Junaid by Majid by Vikram, Happy, Tulip, and Murtaz and her needs. You can go in and listen to their commentary. All of us merely sit here for a couple of hours every day from 9 to 11, 9 to 12, and kind of lead you and help you understand the charts. First thing is first, let's look at what is economic news today that is scheduled for today. So Friday, September 12th, 10 a.m., you have University of Michigan statement, sentiment. So University of Michigan, we are looking at University of Michigan, we are looking to get some results. So consumer sentiment and inflation. So inflation expectations. Sorry. So at 10 o'clock, high impact. So just keep an eye on it. I will be just observing and seeing what to do because we have to make a sense out of all of this chaos every morning to make sure everybody is green. So, what is the plan for today? So, if market is still in September contract for most, let's take a look at highs and lows, and then we'll decide from there on. Give me a second. So, night high was 48, 24,048, and 20. There you go. Now it made a new high of 53. That just shot up 30 points one way. And so let's write down lows and highs. So NASDAQ high has been 24,048. Low was 23,968. 23,968. I was short yesterday from 24,020 last night, but for some reason I saw a lot of profit from 20 all the way to so almost 50 points, but my orders never got the TP hit. So I'm still back to my initial order from last night. So 80-point move. Where's the price right now? 24,046. Let's add the areas for today for NQ 280. So we are inside 24,280. So we are inside your R1 zone for NASDAQ. So right now, price for December contract is inside R1. So yes, so this is December contract. While so if you would like to trade September contract on Nasdaq, you can MNQ only, not so December contract is for some people giving us a little bit of a slippage. So it's truly up to you. How would you like to do this? So the gap, if you can see clearly, the gap between these two is 24,281 minus 24,046, 45. 235 points, 236 point is our gap between these two markets, these two contracts, September. So MNQ is still September, NQ has gone into December, and we are looking at December. What are we looking at? We are looking at to trade our areas, so we can work with areas of December and working. So we are inside R1, guys. And I know if you are plotting it and watching it on MNQ, you are looking at expected low. So that's the difference, because the gap is 235 points. So that will put you, so that's wrong. You are in R1. You're not in, so contract change will happen for other markets by, so you can change it. And areas, yes, 235 points you have to add to kind of figure out which way is MNQ right now. Anyway, still 906. I'm gonna go fix Majid Bhai's stream right now, and I will be back, guys. Enjoy. Sorry, yeah, I had lost a little bit yesterday because of a couple of guys leaking areas and not acceptable. We're doing a KYC. All of you will be just looking. When you log in, you will have 3 days to do your KYC. You will do your picture scan. You will do everything. What do you mean by slippage on the new contract? If you try to put an order, it's picking up 5 to 10 ticks difference. That's called slippage. You put on 88, it will give you maybe 84. If you put on 283, so it can give you different results. So that's normal. So just so you know, that's called slippage. Well, so right now, September, everything is in September contract. There's no notification to do any update, but NQ has gone into your. Actually, if you can go, few more things have changed. So the 6B gone into December, 6E gone into December, M6A, M6B. So currencies are starting to go into December as well. So if you're doing currencies, the areas are not updated for currencies anyway. But by Monday, everything should be. Gold is already in December anyway. So anyway, so that's the plan, and I will be right back. Just gotta fix his laptop. जी
Monday, you tell me any day in the morning or because सुबह में 12 बजे तक छुट्टी होती है because I'm running a meeting from 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock and after 1 o'clock. ठीक है around 3:30 किस तक जाना होता है Good. You go to work early. No, I moved to work. No. मेरा ऑफिस गुजरात में है एक तो एयरपोर्ट के नीचे है मेट्रो ब्लॉक में वोलंटियरों और डेली वोलंटियरों और डेली के हाँ तो let's coordinate ठीक है चलो ठीक है perfect चलो you take care bye
All right. So, bus are live, man. Everything is live. So,
इंश्योरेंस के बारे में
हैं?
इंश्योरेंस
हो जाएगा कहीं किसी ना किसी दिन घर वाले मान जाएंगे Hello? Sorry, I think I have the wrong number.
thank you so much
So now we have a history of, what do you call it? ES, that's higher high, ever. हेलो जी सर अच्छा इस तरह पॉसिबल है कि अगर आप आते हुए टेबल ले आए कुछ वही जो होता है ना पढ़ेंगे वहाँ हाँ पांच उठाना है तो उसकी रिप्लेसमेंट फिर मैं ट्रिनिटी से उठा तो 5 ऐसे जो छोटे साइज के या जो भी हो 5 टेबल थैंक यू हेलो हेलो जी गुड वेरी गुड yes you have to trade at least I think every month or week once at least a trade so that's what you have to do you know
So the most temperature is 30% something, right? That
yeah everything is remains same no change no it's just that what they want to make sure is inside a trade if you lose a trade. So you cannot go negative for 30% inside of that any trade. They won't give you a payout then on Apex. So let's say you have a $25,000 account. A single trade cannot go below 450. The live trade. So let's say you take two ES, whatever, right, or one ES or one NASDAQ. If it goes below $450, nothing happens. Trade keeps running, but they will do an audit and they will say, we're not giving you a payout. That's the only thing.
That 30% applies for all accounts.
All accounts, exactly. By EA, you don't have to worry. It's the PA that's an issue.
PA accounts. Okay,
Correct.
So then 30%. So then when you say 50,000.
So it's $600.
$600.
Correct, because you have only $2,500 in there, right? So that's the thing. Yep.
$600 shouldn't be going
Minus.
That's what we are paying.
Correct. Yep.
And the pay, are they paying?
Yeah, there's still my recommendation is go with Take Profit. Use the code SuperAreas because that company, it's first of all they give you a daily payout or Purdia, right? So it's there's another company I'm introducing most likely Monday. It's faster than everybody so far, and there's no target. You can just make, let's say you buy the account right now, make the money in the evening, and then withdraw it. So it's like so soon. Let me test it. Let me test it first because that company is one of the best so far. Because let's say you buy an account, it's not a one stage. It's not a two stage. It's a one stage company. So if you go ahead and make a profit of let's say $500 in the evening, you can withdraw that 500.
That's fast.
Yes,
How many valuation?
there is no evaluation. Yes, lots.
Target as well.
Correct.
So how are they making money?
Oh no, the see that's what I'm evaluating them. How are they making money? That's because if they're paying everybody, how are they going to stay in business, right? So trying to figure it's not a scam so far because I got one guy already got a payout, and so just trying to they pay Vice like they pay that in Rise and from just like Apex. Yes, yeah,
Because Apex, I had a hard time because
yeah.
I owned
They have.
account. Then they asked me to improve the video, right?
Mhm.
Because they thought like I'm using the AI because when they see the
Yeah.
consistent performance.
So just take profit or Purdia is no other issue. Apex is primarily for learning, right? Yep. Yep.
Apex
There
is
you go.
like payout time like
They did well for 2 years. They just their rules are a little bit tougher. And Legends is coming back with better companies too. So Legends is gonna fix. So that's my job is to make sure all this comes.
I tried Legends, I didn't like it, but I prefer more
Take profit.
because
Exactly.
better is
Exactly.
better.
There you go.
No hassles like faster.
No problem.
The payout is faster.
Oh.
Like I'm waiting, but
Yeah. Yeah. Soon. Yes. I don't know. I don't know. Mhm. Okay. No problem. Absolutely. No, we are up. It's pretty fast because we've gone up to 6,600. Yes, yeah, yes, it's 9 to 11, 9 to 11. All my morning. Yes. Okay, no problem. Take care. Bye. No problem. Okay, bye. All this contract headache is gonna go away soon. This is stuck at 920. How to? It's already there. The money is there. How to take out money from take profit? Go to once you have the money, click withdraw, and I believe video is there, sitting on my YouTube channel. So. Sorry, internet is crap here with so many people now. I need Starlink here. Maybe I can put my own Starlink here in the office. So we have a night high of 0.53. And here we have a night high of so ES has gone to 66, the highest. So 6600 has become the highest, and 24,000, I believe 283 or 300 is the highest of NASDAQ in the history, December contract. So that is updated, and let me fix these couple of things for people.
बिल्कुल ये नाइट सेशन हाई पे ही ओपन हो गया, एक नया हाई बनाया, वहां से आप सभी को सब फायदा, अगर आपने एक ट्रेड आपने कोई भी ट्रेड कर तो एक ट्रेंड जो पोजीशन ट्रेड्स करते हैं उनको एक आइडिया मिल जाता है कि यार अब ये होगा मैंने हाईएस्ट पॉइंट से कर ये ऑन नो के ओल्ड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट था, राइट, मतलब की बात है नॉट सुनो कि मेरा है इतना मैं नहीं कह रहा कि ये ठीक होगा या नहीं होगा, जो मैं कह रहा हूँ तो वो इस पॉइंट पे आए अभी आज इसको गिरा देंगे तो वो 10 लोग हैं जिन्हें आज अपनी पोजीशन क्लोज कर दी, वो प्रॉफिट तो दिखाने ही दे आर द प्राइस या फॉर द पोजीशन लास्ट डे मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है वो आप
So how to take out profit? It's all there.
इसके तो वो न्यूज़ फोल्डर एक्चुअली में देखिए हाउ मेनी पीपल किसके यहाँ पे कोर्स करके निकला है किसी का राइट निंजा ओपन होने से पहले न्यूज़ आपने सबसे पहले खोल आप ये आपको क्लास में बताया गया था आपके क्लास में न्यूज़ राइट बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट फिर आप निंजा ये होमवर्क करना पड़ता है एक मनी जस्ट लाइक दैट एक करियर लर्न ठीक है ना, अब मैं आपको एग्जैक्टली सारी बातें करने एक वाला एनालिसिस है ठीक है ना, एक आइडिया है एक यही पे फाइव इन सेलिंग आपके पास के बाद स्टेबल नहीं हो आप एक स्कूल में आए जहाँ पे आप सीख रहे हो इसमें मैं कहाँ पर कहता हूँ कि वीडियो देखना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट जो आपको वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट वो इस फ्री ट्रेडिंग दुनिया की बाइबल है, आप उसको ये जो 4 वीडियो है ना सर आप सब कहता हमें भी सब हर बंदा ये करता है लेकिन उसको बहुत बार चीज़ों को अप्लाई करो बार बार सिस्टम में जाकर देखिए भाई यार तो इन्होंने कहा कि ये खास चीज़ है ये क्या है मैं 1 6 आपसे कुछ सीख सकता हूँ मैं कहता हूँ जो क्वेश्चन कर रहा है मुझे ना बताओ आप जैसी चीज़ आप वो चीज़ देख रहे हो जो मैं नहीं देख लेकिन आप नहीं देख ये आप लाइफ आप जो आप सोचते हो ना सोच से भी ज़्यादा है टारगेट लोग कहते हैं यार बिना ना करें मास्टर कार बना लो
All right, 1 minute to go before market opens and maybe the chaos begins. Let's see. All right, about to open now. Let's see. First, it goes up. Let's see, 61, 62. Shoots up. We have a 63 as a night high. Let's see. 320, 296 came to. So we touched our 65.93.
होता है कभी लंबी स्विंग जाती है ओके उसको करेंगे वक्त पर टॉप साइड आपका अच्छा होगा अभी क्या कि पंडित अकाउंट इसको 1500 का 30,000 के राइट तो उसके लिए मेरी गेम आपको चार के साथ तो आई होप दैट आंसर विल यस आप पता क्या किया वीडियोस देखना वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बहुत अदर क्वेश्चन ना वो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा बाकी हम लोग बैठे क्वेश्चन क्या होगा मैं भी आंसर दे सकता हूँ किससे पूछता हूँ no impact nothing
So 10 o'clock, guys, be ready. 10 o'clock is going to be rough news. So big, fast movements.
yes S1 is done नाइट सेशन में S1 डन हो चुका है उसके करीब ही हमारा नाइट
Three, and two.
आप देख लोगे हमारा नाइट सेशन हो चुका है फिर भी बिल्कुल के पास get सकते हैं fine. So
38.
Second midnight discussion.
So let's see if it wants to go up or down. Right at 240. So another mid band, two mid bands worked. We're just looking at assessing the market to see which way it wants to go. So observing, let's see. So it's 270. Again, like yesterday, we are stuck in slightly below R1. Let's see if it goes down and fast. So waiting for at least slightly R2. That's the plan. Come on, go to like. If you're looking at the chart of NQ, I want it to go into S2, and then we'll do something from there. $25, $26. Let's see if it goes in test night session low. To 24,000 it touched. Let's see. Scalping along the time, 1, 2 micro is okay, like, So 4-hour candle, 1 hour, 30-minute is showing red. Let's see. What are all three markets are synced today? NASDAQ is synced, ES is synced, and Russell is synced. Dow is above S1. So if you were looking at September contract and they're synced, so they're all synced actually. Back into slightly up. Wants to go down. Price wants to go down. Okay. Come on, drop. Let's see. Stuck. 93 was ES. So waiting for at least R2 for ES myself. 15 is my plan for ES. If the news of University of Michigan sentiment and inflation report is good, so I'm skipping R1 for ES. R2 is my plan. See, well, 15 minutes, things will go some direction. Any all good. I think I'll change the camera direction. It's a little different. 1 second. Trying to make the board a little straighter. All right. 263. Where has it gone? Nowhere at all. Still stuck there. Slightly better. Pretty much where it opened, still there, no change. On ES or NASDAQ, maybe 10 o'clock, it will shoot up or down. Yes, this news, I think pro account can be traded. All right, 39. So it went as high as 63. and then morning low 24,000. So let's see. ES is stuck. It is stuck in the SRES model. But 1510 midband, 3020 midband is there. Let's see. So it's a doji, meaning that this 30-minute candle, doesn't even have a body. High is 63, low, so 63-point range, not at all. So the night high was 63, 24,050, 24,000. So let's sit and wait for the news. Internet is still shocked with the whole Charlie Kirk issue. Yes. Let's see. So 10 minutes to go before the University of Michigan high impact news. If the news is good, R2, 62, 66, 50, anything from 12 to 15 should give us few points. Again, the idea is should. Will it? God knows. But NASDAQ is 258, so wait for 400, 370. Let me check the exact, yeah. So ES is trying to finish that SRES proper, right at a midband, and midband is flat. 27. Let's see which way it shoots, up or down. Time will tell. 32. Preview. ES is inside the value area, so it bounced from the value area a couple of times. So, 60, 6 is the highest high, I believe, ever. हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी पूछो
ये डायनेमिक्स से पूछो ना इसका
हाँ
areas plot जो होते थे and all that.
क्या चीज
Should I ask dynamics for these two?
यस यस ये इसके आपके प्लॉट्स ही नहीं होंगे ना जब तक ये नहीं होंगे हाँ हाँ खुला रहे नो प्रॉब्लम मैं तो वो असल में मॉर्निंग ब्रीफ दे रहे थे तो मैंने कहा मैं अपनी देर न्यूज़ का वेट करें 10 बजे So the new funded company definitely will be big if they deliver what they say. It's going to be like a live account. Go by no more evaluation. Let me see if they replied to me last night. Was in the interest.
BP, night session high. Let's take the trade. Take with it. Negative. Permission say, right? I hope the 2 point हो गए होंगे आप लोग. For 3 point आप भी okay. Profit मतलब lose क्या है? Profit का केवल 2 point. आप भी 2 point. हाँ जी. चलो. Trade तो देख in between का भी है ना, right? आप Bitcoin किया है. एक दिन गोल्ड पे बड़ा सा ट्रेंड चलता है. ओ माय गॉड. गोल्ड इतना गिर रहा है. Yes, great job, buddy. Really serious guy. गोल्ड तो सर आपको सारे कर्जे आपकी मॉर्गेज आपकी हाँ दिसंबर हो गया. गोल्ड में मैंने हमेशा बाय करा. अच्छा आप एक चीज देखें. आप जब भी अपने घर से बाहर निकलते हैं बाय ही करते हो. वेरी रेयर कि आप कुछ सेल करते हैं, राइट? सालों के बाद भी अपना घर सेल किया या गाड़ी सेल. लेकिन 80% आपकी लाइफ की होता है हम लोग बाय ही करते हैं. इसलिए आई लाइक टू बाय. मैं सेल में नहीं करूँ. ठीक है. तो मेरा जो बाई के सेटअप होगा उसमें ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं. आप जाते हो लॉस के लिए बाई करो. आप दिन पर नहीं करो. पूरी लाइफ एवरी डे नहीं है. कॉस्टको चलेंगे, वॉलमार्ट चलेंगे, चलेंगे बाइंग 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 एंड बाइंग. दैट्स व्हाट इट इज. आई में फायदा है. मैं मार्केट ड्रॉप तो बड़ी है. आई भी इससे पर जाना वहाँ से राइट है. वो तो ये what's up here? Fine. What are the
All right, guys, 1 minute to go before the chaos begins. There you go. We got some craziness happening. Done. And let's see what the news is. University of huge spike pending. Oh, pending. Still pending. I'm not sure. small trades जैसे मैं अभी डिस्कस कर रहा था जब हमारे प्राइस आते हैं small trades करके yes आप अपनी लर्निंग buying and selling भी कर सकते हैं gold के लिए करते हैं buying आगे जो कुछ करते लोग buy वन आए ठीक है एक दिन में आगे दो तीन buying में आपको
20 का ट्रेड मिलता है, बाय है। $1 is $100. Steel में $1 $1,000. Yeah. अच्छा जा रहा है तो दूसरे बाय होता है, पता चलता है।
So, yes, consumer sentiment is negative, so it should go down. 60-minute is a doji. So, no.
Almost 300 points. रात को जी NASDAQ का जो है, अगर आप करें पोजीशन ट्रेड, यस आप कर सकते हैं, लेकिन
It's complete choppy market, up, down, up, down. So, what to do? Just wait.
NASDAQ और ये अच्छा ये फंडेड के लिए नहीं है सर, फंडेड के लिए, फंडेड आप कर सकते हैं, अलाउंस कर
R2 is the plan, correct?
एक के साथ 1 मिली के साथ करना है, तो आई थिंक ये $28,000 to 1 मिली, यस होल्ड अगर आप $2,500 या मैं बता कंपोजिशन आपको जो मेरी जो है वो ये होगा 300 या 350 के या 24,350 है ये बेस्ट है, ठीक है। अगर दो सेफ आपने चलना था 400 है, 4,400 एक्सपेक्टेड हाई इस तरफ आ जाता है, फिर उसके बाद छोड़ देना एक भी नहीं दो भी दो भी सर फंडेड में आप पोजीशन ट्रेड नहीं कर सकते। FPO में यस FPO में स्टॉक की CFDs हैं, उसमें आप कर सकते हैं। प्राइस है बहुत ज़्यादा, लेकिन हम पे भी 4 सकते हैं इंडिया के हम देखते हैं और उस से गेमों पे पोजीशन तब से कह रहा हूँ कि NASDAQ से भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आप वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में कैसे वो तो काम नहीं करेगा, लेकिन दिसंबर 25 ये क्या हो सकता है, शायद डालते हैं
Stuck 50. Which way does it want to go? Let's see. Come on, pick a direction. Yes, it's stuck on that one candle. So,
इंस्ट्रूमेंट लिस्ट फ्यूचर सितंबर जहाँ पे लिखा है उसको डबल क्लिक करेंगे तो आपका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रिन्यू सितंबर का आ जाएगा, अब उसको स्टार्ट कर session high day, that feels. Yeah.
55. Let's see. Finally.
Yeah, देखो ना. चलो भाई, my job here is that. Area of the points. $100 of margin. कोशिश किया करें कि वो डेट बात करें सिस्टम में क्लियर टाइम एमएनसी का नहीं अभी एमएनसी मंडे को तो आपको आज एमएनसी का नहीं है एनक्यू का एनी का आप आज ना करें
So NASDAQ has come up 1,000 points, just remember. In a 240 chart, 1,000 points. So it should down like on September 2nd, it was 23,000. Now it's 24,000. No, so it made a higher high. So 240 chart. So maybe I'll go to R2. Let's see. Maybe they'll bring it down on Monday. Who knows?
स्टॉक लॉस के साथ जाए स्टॉक लॉस के बगैर ना यही तो डील खत्म करना होता है आप अब इस पर कह रहे थे तो ये मैंने आपसे बात की
Yes, as 6,600 as the highest high. Let's see. The news is bad, but hey, it's other day the news was bad, and let's see. There you go, officially 291. Let's see if it touches R1. 300 to 320 is which will put us in same R1 of M and Q. Yes, is far from R1. Big difference between NASDAQ and ES per dollar rate. One is 39, one is 2. So what's the, yeah, too much. Divergence on market is choppy. No.
वॉल्यूम
That's 63. It has to do breakout. Let's see. Are we done the bad news or like going up? Done. Very good. Man, I'm just waiting for the. ठीक है. Very nice. Done हो गया सच. सच आ गया आप बफर पे. How do you trade in this market? You can't. Then shot back up. No. Be right back, guys. All right. Let's see if it breaks the 63 on MNQ and what's the other one? 296. Almost very close to R1 it came down. So 296 became the higher high. I wrote it wrong. 24,296. And let me do this in December. MES, micros, December. MES, Q features. There you go. It has broken 63. Done. So we are inside the R1 zone, guys. For NASDAQ, we are inside R1. And we have a new high of 300. Number 305. Where did it get to? 24,200. So both markets are inside R1 right now. NASDAQ is inside R1, but ES is not. ES, so weather in NASDAQ can change very fast. Even news is bad. What is the Forex factory? Markets are up. ES is, NASDAQ is up 60 points. ES is up 1 point. ES is not really. So 74. Both markets are okay. The upper band of 30 minutes, maybe 24,100 and 24,300. It will test. I have taken 24,067 as a 1 micro cell, 24,067 plus 220. Yeah, so I'm in from 24,000 and still climbing up. NASDAQ 76, 100 points up since last night. See, it's not going as aggressively, so look at the 60-minute pressure, magic bands, everything. So maybe 320. So we have a new high of 310. To 76. हेलो जी ठीक ठाक सर तुम सुनाओ
सर जी फंड पर ठीक है सर फंडेड अकाउंट ग्रो कर सकते हैं
जिन्ने मर्जी करो 40 कर लो हम एक हर कंपनी दी पर पर्सन लिमिट है टेक प्रॉफिट 5 ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ Purdia 3 ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ बुलनॉक्स 3 ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਐਜ ਇਦਾਂ
ਲਾਈਕ ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਬਾਈ ਚਾਂਸ ਮਤਲਬ ਪਤਾ 2-3 ਦਿਨ 1500 ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਟਾਰਗੇਟ ਪੂਰਾ
ਹਾਂ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਡਿਪੈਂਡ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਟੇਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਿਟ 5 ਦਿਨ ਮੰਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ 750 ਕਰ ਦਿਓ 750 ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਫਿਰ ਡਾਲਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਦਾਂ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਹੈ।
ਵਾਪਸ ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਟਾਰਗੇਟ ਪੂਰਾ ਕਰਦਾ
ਹਾਂ।
1500 ਦਾ
ਹਾਂ ਲੇਕਿਨ 1500 ਹਰ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਦਾ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਦੇਖੋ ਏਪੈਕਸ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ 1 ਡੇ ਪਾਸ ਹੈ
ਓਕੇ
ਬੁਲਨੌਕਸ 1 ਡੇ ਪਾਸ ਹੈ ਟੇਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਿਟ 5 ਦਿਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਪਾਸ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਹਰ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਦਾ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਹੈ
ਕਹਿੰਦਾ 1500 ਮੰਗੇ ਲੇਕਿਨ 5 ਦਿਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ
5 ਦਿਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੇਣਗੇ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਵਿੱਚ 1500 ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣ ਸਕਦੇ ਟੇਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਿਟ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੇਗਾ 750 ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੱਢਣੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਬਣਾਣੇ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਨੇ ਹਾਂ ਪਰ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਟਾਰਗੇਟ ਰੇਸ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਗੇ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ
750 ਦੀ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਬਣਾਣੇ ਨੇ
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਰ ਉਹ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ 5 ਦਿਨ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੀਏ ਕਿ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਯੈਸ
ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਖੁਲਵਾਣਾ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ
ਯੈਸ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਟੀਮ ਨੇ ਜਾਣ ਐਨੀ ਡੈਸਕ ਕਰੋ ਨਾ ਸੁਪਰ ਏਰੀਆਜ਼ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਰਾਈਟ ਵੇ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਗੇ
ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ
ਨਹੀਂ ਸੁਪਰ ਏਰੀਆਜ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਾਟਮ ਰਾਈਟ ਤੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਨਾ
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਕੀ ਦੇਖਾਂ
ਹੈਲਪ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਚੈਟ ਕਰੋ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਐਨੀ ਡੈਸਕ ਫੌਰਨ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਗੇ
ਓਕੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਕਰ
ਸਾਰਾ ਸੈਟਅਪ ਕਰ ਦੇंगे नो प्रॉब्लम
ਉਹ ਈਵਨਿੰਗ ਸੀ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੇ
ये एनी टाइम
one question ਕਿਹੜਾ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਖੋਲਾਂ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਦਾ
टेक प्रॉफिट
and then use terminal payment days
Do you take live trades here? Yeah, I'm telling you the live numbers here. Yeah, so sell from NASDAQ 23,000, 24,000, and 320. A bit of a short here. I think not yet.
yeah
So it should come down fast. Nope, shot up a little bit. 24.74. $84 became the highest, and here we got 310. There's a big issues between these slippages from these two contracts. They're not picking up, they're not syncing properly. The most likely Monday everything will be okay for both contracts. जी सर बैठे हुए हैं अभी वेट कर रहा हूँ तब नास्डैक में तो R1 से हूँ लेट्स सी 310 से हूँ 300 से हूँ मैं एक माइक्रो yes market बहुत choppy है इस वक्त like it's not giving us any sense of direction. Maybe after 2, maybe after 12, who knows? 84, 85. Come on. Where do you want to go? 318. So we're truly inside the area now of R1 NASDAQ. $87. Where do you want to go, NASDAQ? Where do you go? I'm R1, you're inside. 317, 319. ES is non-moving compared to NASDAQ. $322 becomes the highest high. 322 for December contract. They're right back. Right now, Russell is down, but NASDAQ, ES, and those are synced. We are inside. London high was 310, and now they're trying to maybe, let's see. ES is completely stuck inside of between R1, R2. Dow is dropping, and it came from, I think Dow numbers are slightly messed up. Let me double check Dow numbers. Dow is wrong. Dow is wrong. Dow is wrong for expected high. So I think Dow should be 26,410. It should be 26,410 and 26,500. 46,500 and 410. All right, let me fix the levels. Yeah, fixing Dow right now. All right. Sorry, guys. So alert came because Dow came. So if you refresh your charts for Dow is fixed. Dow, you know, if you refresh, yeah, expected high 410 to 500. So Dow is heading towards S2, which may bring NASDAQ and ES down.
Okay, see you then, sir.
Your Russell is heading towards S2, is coming down. So NASDAQ needs to pull down as well. So let's see. What else is going on? HG, there's no levels for Bitcoin. There's no level for copper. There's no levels for silvers today. Gold.
स्पीड जम गया ना मैं रिस्क भी नहीं पा जैसे आप तो इसकी वक्त अगर जब सुबह आए थे कि
It's not instant that it went into R1 and it's not going up, not going down from R1. Let's see. It should do a bit of a retrace, but
this guy
319, 320.
mid bank
It's right here. Maybe 11 o'clock candle, 10:45, and those are slightly reversal points. So let's see. This is coming. Use bad, sentiment bad, but price up for ES really didn't do anything, to be honest. ES is stuck at 92. $89.90. So which this puts us 23.50. See, slowly they're taking it up. Slowly. Which way do you want to go? $95, and this here brought them to 328. So okay, now 323.28. Newer high. 329, newer high. 331. So R1 is not stopping. 24,331, most likely Monday after 331. 332. 84 points, it's up. Because Dow has gone to S2, so it should come along. Climbing like a snail, and it will drop like a free fall, but slowly gone to 333. ES is barely keeping up. It's $86 difference between ES and NASDAQ. So, which banking stock is taking up? $336, newer high. And 102 here. That became the highest high ever, 24,102 was the area. So both markets are making historical highs.
Just a quick question.
हाँ जी हाँ जी सर.
जब किसी स्ट्रीम पे जाते हैं तो यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड हमारा कौन सा होगा?
कोई स्ट्रीम नहीं है, वही जो सुपर एरियाज का है वो मांगता है.
जब आप क्लिक करते हैं ना तो वो
नहीं
अभी
वो आप सुपर एरियाज में लॉग इन करें तो वो सारी
स्ट्रीम पे मैं जब जा रहा हूँ ना
हाँ.
क्लिक करता हूँ तो वो चीज वो आस्क करता है कि कोई
अभी ट्राई कर लेते हैं, करें.
वही इसलिए यूज किया थी तो सबसे पहले what's going on?
Why are you being scared? हाँ जी 350 official 350. Maybe 350 was the number they want looking for. 50. We have an even number. 350 and 102. Let's see. What's the number over here? 24,115. Okay, let's see.
Because I was checking, it was saying 2 weeks ago, like last Friday of
Okay. So NASDAQ 1, 2, both went above R2 now. 3. Here R1 is broken. Let's see. The gap is only 50 points, so R2 is the next range. That was my morning plan. So waiting for 370 now. We're almost in 350. 20 points to go. 1,000. 11 o'clock candle. So 1 hour to go before euro closes.
He's doing good job.
Yeah, that's good. That's coming down, hopefully. 325, 350 to 325. Where are these alerts coming from? R2, R2, R2. It's kind of gone bonkers over area. ठीक है यार, एक दफा बता दिया, बार बार क्यों बता रहे हो? Sorry, over. Why is needs to data needs to desktop.
हम नहीं कर सकते अगर करें तो हमारे इतना क्यों आना ना उसके लिए इतनी वो की है तो हैरान हो जाए वो देखता है भी
No retrace yet.
ये तो सारा पूरा परिवार का काम है
1140. No retrace from R1. Still stuck in R1. ES has come down slightly, but not.
आज के दिन आई अब एक स्पॉट बल्कि मैं कहती हूँ मैं याद किया तो आप फिगर कर आप अब इसमें बोला मुझे आपकी शेयर करके एक ट्रेड से पता है इन्हें ये पता है डाइवर्सिटी क्या है इन्हें क्या स्प्रेड पता है मैं इन्हें में कह रहा हूँ दोस्त आप मुझे पता है दूसरे के साथ मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप पूरी डाइवर्सिटी ठीक है मैं जो करता हूँ सारे कंबाइन करके ऑनलाइन सारे हो जाते हैं फिर आप दे बच्चे वो है तो उसके सेशन मैंने इसको टाइम नहीं बोलते हैं
So let's see if reversal begins. $115 to $80. It came down, and $350 to $320, 30 points. Nothing crazy. No big retrace. Back up to 90, 92. All right, back up to 95. Let's see. The market did not go to 370, but rather return from 350. Let's see if this time around there's something. All right, let's see. This is boring. No trade whatsoever. All right, guys, I have a meeting to go to, and I'm gonna shut it down in 2 minutes. So, still waiting for 370, 390, my number. So, zero movement. Little bit on yes, but so KYC is coming. So when you log into your system, you will gonna see KYC. Just do that. And what else? Nothing. MNQ went as high as 115, and December contract of NQ went as high as 350. 24,350. I think most of the reason of not dropping the price is the contract, because everybody started to get a margin call on Monday. Anybody in a position trade of September contract, so they're not gonna drop. So that's the plan. So inflation expectations were same as long ago. Yeah. And 55.4, it was in red, but better than forecast. हेलो जी है नहीं अभी वेट कर रहे हैं 370 आया नहीं तो 370 का वेट कर रहे हैं तो नो प्रॉब्लम All right, see you guys. Oh, thank you. All right. So wait for ES to maybe go to R1 now because there's not much time left, and ES really didn't make it to our area was 6,600, and it got turned from 98, 99. So we're waiting for we are waiting for a retrace, but Monday. So Monday most likely. So until then, please show session P&L. Haven't taken any trade. How can I show my P&L? I'm waiting for my area to hit. How can I share my P&L? I'm not scalping in and out. I'm waiting for my trade to get to NASDAQ to get to a number. ES to get to a number. If there's no number, I'm not trading. My number was R2 and it got to 370. So how can I share a P&L? Please show us. These are disbelievers. Go check my TikTok and Telegram and watch it for last 3 years, please. Yesterday's. So take care. See you guys.